Paintless Dent Repair is an innovative and cost-effective method for fixing minor dents and blemishes in vehicles without repainting or extensive bodywork. It preserves the car's original paint finish, making it an eco-friendly and time-efficient alternative to traditional repairs. PDR works by restoring deformed metal to its original shape through specialized tools and techniques. These include dent rods and picks for accessing dents from behind, glue pulling kits for hard-to-reach areas, and reflectors to ensure precision. Rubber hammers smooth out imperfections, relying on the technician's skill and understanding of metal flexibility and pressure mechanics. Key advantages of PDR include maintaining the car's factory paint, lower costs, eco-friendliness by eliminating harmful chemicals, and faster repair times, often within hours. It's ideal for small to medium dents, especially inaccessible areas, provided the paint remains undamaged. However, it may not be suitable for dents in structural areas or materials incompatible with PDR. Choosing a certified and experienced technician is crucial for quality results. Advancements in materials and tools are driving PDR's future, with AI and robotics improving precision and efficiency. PDR is a cost-effective, eco-friendly solution for restoring vehicles and preserving their value. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.